Today we're going to be making the English lace. Look how pretty that is. So this yarn calls for size 6 US needles, and I'm using a size 8, which is a 5mm. So try to use 2 sizes larger than the yarn calls for. And this is an 8-row repeat, and this is a multiple of 6 plus 1. So I have 30 plus 1, 31. And so let's do this. Rows 1, 3, and 5, and 7 are all purl. So make believe that I just casted on my stitches and I did my first row as purl. So let's go to row number 2. So row 2, you're going to knit 1, and this is where the repetition starts. Yarn over, slide, slide, put your left hand needle in front and knit them together through the back. Knit 1, knit these 2 stitches together, yarn over, and knit 1. So let's do the repetition again. It is yarn over, slide, slide, put your left hand needle in front and knit them together through the back. Knit 1, knit these 2 stitches together, yarn over, and knit 1. So I'm going to do the whole row a little bit faster. So yarn over, slide, slide, knit, knit 1, knit these 2 stitches together, yarn over, knit 1. Again, yarn over, slide, slide, knit, knit 1, knit 2 stitches together, yarn over, knit 1. Again, yarn over, slide, slide, knit, knit 1, knit 2 stitches together, yarn over, and knit 1. So row number 3 is all purl. So row number 3 was all purl, and this is row number 4. You're going to knit 1, and this is where the repetition starts. Yarn over, knit 1, slide 1 knitwise, knit these 2 stitches together, and the one that you slid goes over that last one. Knit 1, yarn over, and knit 1. So let's do that again. Yarn over, knit 1, slide 1, knit these 2 stitches together, and the one that you slid goes over that last one. Knit 1, yarn over, and knit 1. So let's repeat that. I'm going to do this a little bit faster. So yarn over, knit 1, slide 1, knit these 2 stitches together, pass that one over the last one, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, slide 1, knit these 2 stitches together, pass that one over the last one, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, slide 1, knit these 2 stitches together, pass that one over the last one, knit 1, yarn over, and knit 1. So row number 5 is all purl. So row 5 was all purl, and this is row 6. Knit 1, and this is where the repetition starts. You knit 2 stitches together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, slide, slide, put your left hand needle in front, knit them together through the back, and knit 1. So I have my 6 stitches there for that repetition, so plus the first one that doesn't count. So here goes the repetition again. You are going to knit 2 stitches together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, slide, slide, put your left hand needle in front and knit them together through the back, knit 1. So let's do that again. Knit 2 stitches together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, slide, slide, knit, knit 1, knit 2 stitches together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, slide, slide, knit, knit them together through the back, knit 1. Again, knit these 2 stitches together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, slide, slide, and knit them through the back, and knit 1. So row number 7 is all purl. Okay, so row 7 was all purl, and this is row 8, and we're going to start a little bit different here. We are going to knit the first 2 stitches together, and after that, this is where the repetition starts. So we're going to knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and knit 1, and then pass this one as if to knit, knit these 2 stitches together and pass that one over the last one. And so let's repeat that. It's knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, slide 1, knit these 2 stitches together, and the one that you slid goes over the last one, and let's repeat that. So knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, pass 1, knit these 2 stitches together, pass that one over the last one, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, pass that one, knit these 2 stitches together and pass this one over. Now when you have 5 left, this is where you're going to go knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, and the last 2 slide, slide, and knit them together through the back. And that's it. Those 8 rows, because after this one you start with row number 1, which is all purl, And this is very, very pretty. I think I'm going to make a summer scarf with this because even the wrong side doesn't look bad at all. So thank you for watching. Share us with your friends and subscribe, like our page. Thank you.